how to order healthy at restaurants. It's important to understand what's on the menu when you eat out. The good news, you can eat healthy even if you know what to look for. With a little bit of effort, you can ensure that all your meals you eat away from home are part of a healthy diet. The best advice one can give is to check the restaurant's website, decide on a choice before you even step into the restaurant. Look for menu descriptors, calorie information, and cooking techniques. Sometimes the way a food item is described is an indication of its healthy choice or not. Use defined food modifiers to make a determination if the food is healthy or not. Healthy menu words: baked, broiled, fat-free, fresh, grilled, high fiber, light, marinated, multigrain, poached, red sauce, reduced, roasted, seasoned, steamed, stir-fried, vegetarian, vinaigrette, and whole wheat. Unhealthy menu words are a la mode, au gratin, basted, battered, béarnaise, you can't finish it, bottomless, breaded, buttery or buttered, casserole, cheesy, covered, creamy, creamed, crispy, crunchy, escalloped, fried, deep fried, giant, hollandaise, loaded, platter, smothered, stewed, stroganoff, stuffed, value, volcano, or white sauce. Don't be hesitant to ask your server how particular foods are prepared or what ingredients they contain. Ask what kinds of oil foods are prepared with or cooked in. The most desirable oils are monounsaturated oils like olive oil, canola oil, or peanut oil, and polyunsaturated oils like soybean or corn oil. Ask whether the restaurant can prepare your food to order by leaving off or putting on the side dressings, butter, cheese, or other high-fat items. Ask the chef to prepare the foods with very little butter or oil or none at all. Ask if smaller portions are available or whether you can share entries with the companion. If smaller portions aren't available, ask for the go box when you order and place half the entry in the box right away to avoid overeating. To learn how to eat healthy at any restaurant, visit burn500.com.